What if you want to connect two pipes of the same or different diameters? If you use the Circle Ellipse Projector, a tool that's incredibly easy to use, you'll make this task incredibly simple. The Circle Ellipse Projector is held in place with a powerful built-in magnet. The center pen indicates the center of the connecting pipe, or the center of the hole that needs to be cut. We set the distance between the center pen and the chalk and the angle on the tool. We then simply draw the projection precisely from the top to the bottom. Simple and easy.